In today's data-sensitive industries, cloud solutions often pose significant confidentiality risks. Building in-house AI talent is time-consuming and costly, leaving many struggling to keep pace. Introducing a team forged in the heart of AI innovation. Founded by former NVIDIA engineers from the US, we've powered giants like Google, Facebook, and AWS, earning international recognition and delivering successful solutions across medical, manufacturing, and industrial sectors. We've achieved a groundbreaking milestone. The world's first demonstration of running a 70 billion parameter Llama large language model on edge computing in 2024. Our technology fully supports NVIDIA GPUs and edge computing hardware acceleration. This means unparalleled performance, right at the edge, where you need it. Imagine increasing your computing speed tenfold, while slashing development manpower by 90%. For businesses previously locked out of ChatGPT's potential, we offer the power of a private, secure GPT solution. We empower you to innovate faster and more efficiently. Our vision is to democratize AI. Through Kuaijing's cutting-edge computing technology, we're lowering the barriers to entry, enabling everyone to bring their AI-powered ideas to life.